Hey guys, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. Today's video, I want to focus on the beard. Now in today's video, I want to address a lot of the comments I have been getting about how to keep your beard straight. So I want to show you guys something that I do to alleviate that problem. Let it be a wave, an indent. I got a little trick I want to show you. So to achieve this straight beard, we're going to need a tool, and that's going to be a brush, a comb. If last resort, we also can use our hands. Now, I want you guys to take your brush, take your comb, and we're gonna find the indent, or we're gonna find that patch of hair that's really, not conforming to the way we want it to lay. So what I want you guys to do, for me right here, I think it's about midway into my beard. I want you guys to take your brush, take your comb. I want you to put it right there. I want you to wiggle it in, and then we're gonna reverse comb the beard. That's right, we're reverse combing the beard. And now we're gonna do this all over the beard. So I wanna take it from the under jaw, chin, and just bring it all the way up. You necessarily don't have to twist it. Same with your comb, same with your hands. We're just bringing out the beard. So if you don't have a comb or if you don't have a brush, so for instance on this side, I just wanna take my hands, put my fingers in between my beard, and I wanna shake it, kind of just ruffle it up and push it upwards. So we're gonna go back to the brush, and obviously the tools are gonna help a lot easier instead of using the hands. So we're gonna look a little silly, but we're gonna go all over and we're just gonna lift up that beard. Now if you can, take your brush and just take it all the way up if you can. Just take it as high as you can, both sides, and under the chin as well. Now obviously I look a little weird with my beard being like that, but what we're doing is we're training the hairs not to be indented into the chin. We're actually retraining the beard to lay different, so as we push down on our beard, as we bring it down, we've alleviated some of that indent by bringing it out. So we're just trying to train it to lay straight, so instead of pushing it and indenting it into our chin or into our neck, we're actually giving it a flat surface via my face to straighten it. So here's where the magic happens. Now it's up to you how you want to do this. You can either take the back of your thumb here and pull down. That works. We'll do that on this side. But for continuity and style, I like to take the brush. I don't really want to twist too much. I just want to bring it down and just let it lay flat. So I really don't want to twist. I just kind of want to bring it down. And I'll support it by using the back of my thumb here and just try to keep everything in. So if you don't have a brush, and you're using your hand, so once it's out, use the back of your thumb here and just bring it down, and then use your hands. And remember, I have no product in my beard right now. We're gonna put some in a little bit. So just use the back of your hand and just keep pushing down. You can also use your claws and kind of pull it in a little bit. But as you guys can see, we took a lot of that indent into our chin and into our neck. Really alleviated that problem by just reverse combing and then bringing it down. So let's put in a little bit of butter. I want to put in some butter today, some conditioner butter, and put it into our beard, and then we can really make the beard look thick, dense. So let's go put some in. So today, I guess we're going to be using Ardius Man. We're going to do some beard balm. So let's throw some beard balm in. Let's start applying it. And you can do the same technique. As you put in the balm, your butter, your oil, exfoliate and flex out your beard, as I would call it. And that way we're getting in all of the product, but at the same time, we're pulling out the hair instead of indenting it into our neck. So we're really just pulling it out. We can use our digits to help us. And then we're gonna start using the back of our thumbs if we need to, bring everything in. And of course, we're gonna get the brush, pulling this down. And look how straight the beard's getting with this. Yeah, it really alleviated that dent, and that happens a lot. So think about this, guys. We all grow out our beards, and sometimes we have bad habits, bad technique. I'm a great example. I was having a big indent in my chin just from rolling out the brush, and it's just from going really fast in the morning and just not really, taking that time to flex out the beard. And that's why I recommend doing this probably once a week is probably the best thing to do for your beard. Just, exfoliates the skin. Put your hair in a different position. It helps out a lot. So now that I'm done, we're just gonna pull it down, and I like to do a nice little reverse there, and I think we're good to go. So if things are getting stagnant, if things aren't changing, make sure to go check out a lot of my other videos just to help you guys out. You know, different hairs grow at different lengths, they grow at different speeds, they grow in different conformities. So every beardsman are different. Now let this be a quick tip for you guys. If you're getting stuck, let this help you guys out. Like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!